Chongqing Pacton-Technology Company Limited is dedicated to providing professional manufacturing solutions to clients worldwide. Its product portfolio encompasses tool cabinets, tool carts, toolboxes, and various storage units. The company's factory spans an area of 15,000 square meters and is staffed by a professional team of approximately 120 employees, including 4 senior design engineers and 6 account managers. Both the company's core management and technical teams possess over a decade of industry experience. To ensure high precision, operational efficiency, and consistent product quality, the factory has implemented advanced manufacturing systems, including fully automated laser cutting machines, CNC bending machines, automated welding equipment, and 2 dedicated assembly lines. The company is also equipped with a fully automated powder coating production line, enabling it to provide surface finishing services that offer both exceptional durability and eco-friendly characteristics. The company has successfully obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, fully demonstrating its comprehensive capabilities in technological R&D, process control, and continuous innovation. Furthermore, the company's products hold EPR and CE certifications and are backed by 12 patents, underscoring our robust R&D capabilities and commitment to quality assurance. By integrating a complete industrial chain encompassing mold design, precision machining, stamping, welding, and assembly, and surface coating, the company is dedicated to providing clients with truly one-stop manufacturing solutions, driven by an unwavering pursuit of quality, continuous investment in technological innovation, and a deep understanding of client needs. Chongqing Pacton-Technology Company Limited has established solid strategic partnerships with numerous international clients.